shoot off.
Nice.
10 metre through the tube. Warning, it breaks your arrows. Keep it instinctive. Straight through.
Nice.
And destroyed it. Be a bit high.
Still we're through.
Through the tube, keep it instinctive. Distance is 10 metres, bow poundage is 69, and then go and get a 400 arrows with shield cuts.